Hi, welcome back to In Your Defense. I'm attorney Steve Toland. Today we're going to finish our conversation about insulating your business from criminal liability. We talked in recent memory about Bluebell Ice Cream and how they had gone to federal court here in Austin, Texas and pled guilty to 2 misdemeanor federal charges, and in so doing agreed to pay $19.5 million in criminal fines and forfeitures. And so it does beg the question, what was their corporate compliance plan, and why did their corporate compliance plan not protect them from criminal liability? In my 20 years of experience, I've identified what I think are 5 ways that a CCP can let you down. And I want to explain those in the hopes that you'll have a better plan and use it to keep yourself out of liability so you don't have to call me, a criminal defense lawyer, to bail you out of trouble. What is a corporate compliance plan? Just for review, it's any plan or program that explains what the rules and regulations are that affect your business. It's a place where people can go in your business to consult with so they know what it is they can and can't do. Pretty simple, right? So the first number one way a plan could be letting you down is that it's too broad. If the plan is too broad, then no one's going to use it, to be frank with you, because they're just not going to go read things that they don't have experience with. So if your business is in one area and your plan covers a bunch of things that your business doesn't do, it's just not going to serve any purpose. Number 2, if it's irrelevant. That's the number 2 way your corporate compliance plan could be letting your business down. If it's too broad or it's not relevant to what you do, you're not only having a plan that doesn't help anybody, therefore increasing the odds that business leaders are not going to consult with it and learn more about it. You're also sort of telling the government that your plan is just window dressing. In other words, the government comes in and starts investigating, and if they look at your plan and it's overly broad or irrelevant, they're going to think that you're using that as just window dressing, and you're hiding behind a corporate compliance plan knowing full well that you're breaking the law. And so you don't want to mistakenly give that impression over to the government. The third way your corporate compliance plan could be letting your business down is that it's stale. Of course, the regulations that are in there need to be up to date, and so they're constantly changing. And so you need to have a plan in place where you can consistently have confidence that your plan is up to date with all the current regulations that apply to your business and whatever you do. The fourth way your corporate compliance plan could be letting you down is that it doesn't anticipate future growth for your company. Ideally, you'd like a plan that will help steer you and guide you, and when opportunity is available, you want to pounce on that opportunity and make the most profit for your business. So if you have an idea of how much it costs currently to comply with the regulations that affect your business, and you anticipate other areas your business might go and what it might cost to comply with those regulations, boy, you're really now using your corporate compliance plan to guide you and steer your business, not just as some safety net. And the fifth way that a corporate compliance plan can let you down is, frankly, that no one's using it. So you just have to have a plan in place about how you use it, how often you consult with it, where are copies kept, who's in charge of it, who do you make reports to, that is, where do employees go if they think somebody might be running afoul of a regulation. You just need to decide, how often you're using it and the best way to implement it. In hindsight, your corporate compliance plan needs to work for your business to keep you out of trouble. And so if you counsel a business or if you're part of a business and you don't have a corporate compliance plan, or you have questions about your current plan and you're worried about criminal liability, please reach out to me. I've got 20 years experience guiding businesses and leaders in this area, and I can help you as well. Thank you.